So what exactly is server-side Swift? Let's take a look at a very simple example. Let's say that we have an application that displays dishes to their user, and we will be implementing this application, so don't really worry about that. How can we store this data, these cheeseburgers and these images and the description and so on? Well, we can definitely use NSUserDefaults and save it on the device. But NSUserDefaults is not really meant to store large quantities of data. Also, if your data is relational, then it will be a lot messy storing it in NSUserDefaults. You can definitely store it on a database which is on the device, like MySQL or SQLite. The problem with that is that if you change your device, maybe you lose your device, or you upgrade your device to a brand new device, then you may not be able to share the data because that data is on the device or the database. Obviously, you can restore the app and then get it, but if there is some update, then you will lose. There is a possibility of losing the data. What if we can store the data on something called cloud? And your application can make a request to the cloud, and the cloud, in this case a server, is going to return with a response populating your application with the required data. And that exactly is server-side Swift. So the cloud portion is running on server-side Swift. Now, you may have heard of many different programming languages and frameworks like Node and Django and Ruby on Rails and ASP.NET. All of these provide server APIs. But now, since you're developing your interface and your iOS app in Swift, you can actually create your complete backend also in the amazing Swift language. So let's go ahead and get started.